If you want to connect a printer to your Xiaomi 17, the first thing that you can do is simply open Settings. Next, in Settings, we need to scroll down a little bit and then proceed to more connectivity options. Afterwards, you want to go to Printing over here, and you should be able to find two options: System Printing Service and Xiaomi Home. If your printer is Xiaomi or made by Xiaomi actually, then of course you can go to Xiaomi Home and you should be able to scan for your printer over here. Otherwise, you want to probably go to System Printing Service and search for your printer over here in this menu. Keep in mind that in some cases you need to get an additional plugin, which might be necessary to do for your printer. So if you go back to this printing menu, we need to tap on Add Service and then install the correct plugin for your printer. Of course, you want to choose the same one that is the producer, manufacturer of your printer. And then, of course, you can use that in order to try to detect your printer, in order to try to find it. And in other cases, unfortunately, printers require you to download very specific apps. Of course, I cannot really tell you which app you need to get for your printer, but I can tell you that you can probably find it in the Play Store, and usually the information about the printer can be found in the manual. So the reason why I cannot really tell you which app you need to get is because these printers require you to get very specific printers, and there are a lot of printers, so I cannot, of course, go through all of them. But nevertheless, if you find the information about the required app, then of course you can go to the Play Store, get the app, probably for free, and you can use the app in order to try to connect your printer onto your phone. Usually in the manual of the printer, you can also find the information about pairing the printer with an Android smartphone, so you can follow these instructions as well. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.